student. So today we will focus two more quick patterns talking about another type of the example. Okay, so this is a kind of the example that combine with the NPR and NCR. So please pay attention on the question. Okay, what kind of a question is a question that will combine NPR and NCR. So let's take a look of the quick pattern 10.18. So the question told you that line points are selected from 15 of them. So we know that 15 actually is the N, 9 point is the R, okay? So we need to choose 9 from 15, okay? But they need to play the role, okay? A prince, a princess, and 7 doesn't mean others, okay? No special, okay? So just like the case I have mentioned before, do you still remember? The P, VP, the treasurer, the secretary, something like that. So that means special position, okay? It means order. So that means that may be a kind of the NPR case, okay? But what if I only choosing 9 from 15, no special, okay? I just randomly, okay, 15 of you, okay, come up 9, then it will be NCR. Can you see that? Special post arranged in order is NPR. No special is mean NCR. So now the question told you that in how many ways can the drama team be formed? So first of all, what you need to do is, okay, I got 15 of them. Okay, please pick out 9 of them. Okay, and then those 9 we need to have the prince. Okay, then princess. Then other, okay, 1 here, 2, right? So we still have 7 normal people, no special, okay? We'll combine like that. Can you see that? So what can we do is, so here, first step, 9 chosen from 15. It will be 15 people, choose 9 of them. And then those 9 people, okay, we need to pick out 2 of them, be the special person, prince and princess, okay? Got it? So now it will be your final answer. Remember, it's times relationship because these two cases should happen at the same time. Choosing 9, then, okay, followed by 2 special person posts. So the answer will be 360, 360. Okay, so this is the target that how can we form the drama team. If you're okay, now take a look of another quick practice. Quick practice 10.19. At a reunion activity, 6 old boy and 4 old girl. Okay, so now we know that we got 6 old boy, 4 old girl. So that will be your N, total student here. Okay, so of a school are going to take a group photo. In how many ways can they be arranged? Be careful here. Arrange, that means arrange what? Arrange the seats, arrange in a row. So actually, this wording already mean order. So it's NPR. Okay, so now take a look of the A part first. A part say that all the girls stand in the front and all the boys stand in the back. Okay, so let's think about how can it works. Okay, so first of all, we have 2 rows. Okay, so 6 boys will at the back, then 4 girls, okay, at the front. So how can we assign it? So first of all, think about the girl. Okay, so girl will be, we have 4 girls, then we need to assign in 4 position. It's 4P4. Then we still have the boy, right? So we have 6 boys arranged in 6 sitting, okay, the seats. So times together. Why are we using times? Because those 4 girls and 6 boys, we need to have it at the same time, okay? So the answer, not difficult, okay? Just using the calculator, you will find out. It will be 17,280. This is A part, okay? Remember, because arranged in order already mean that this is P. So 4P4 times 6P6. Okay, now we go to the B. So take a look of the B1 first. So B1 told you what? If they are arranged in 2 rows of 5, what does it mean? Mean that no more 4, 6. Okay, our row will be like that. Okay, will be 5, 5. Okay, into 2 rows, and then each row will have 5 seats. Okay, So now B1 talking about what? B1 say that without restriction. That's mean no special. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, so that's mean any one of you want to sit any place, it's fine. Okay, so if it is fine, then we will think about it. How many people we have? Yes, 6 boy, 4 girl. Total we will have 10. Okay, so yes, 10 people. Then just up to you, sit in 10 seats. Okay, so just 10p10. Very easy, right? So the answer using the calculator again, 3628800. Okay, because 10 people have, and then 10 seats, you have so many different arrangement. Okay, so this is the total. Now we go to the B2. So now we come back to the B2. Okay, so take a look of the B2. B2 told you that if all the girls are standing next to each other, what does that mean? So first of all, let's try to draw the sitting plan first. Okay, so first row we have 5 seats, second row we have 5 seats also, but now they want all the girls sit to next to each other. That means all the girls, okay, will sit together. Okay, so this is the correct arrangement. So if girl girl, then boy girl girl, sorry, it will be not a correct arrangement because they need to sit next to each other. So remember, okay? So now you know what is the meaning of next to each other. So now take a look of this. If I really want to sit like that, so how can we arrange, okay, using the NPR and NCR to do it? So first of all, let's think about it. One row we have 5 people sitting, 5 seats, right? So we have 4 girls. So another one will be who? Of course, 1 boy, right? So first of all, consider the first row first, okay? So we consider maybe row 1 first. Row 1, we need 4 girls and 1 boy. So where the boy? So come on, let's pick up 1 boy from those 6, okay? So what we need to do is 6 boy, I need to choose 1, okay? Coming up. Can you see that? So we'll have the 1 boy here. So now those 1 boy will combine with those 4 girls to arrange in a seats. So think about it. How can they arrange in a seats? If 4 girls sitting together next to each other, just imagine, okay, this girl is a very bigger one. 4 girls combined together, then a little boy, okay, just 1 only. So if they arrange the seat, it can be girl boy or boy girl, right? So you don't have any other choice. You just got 2 choice. So you can be times 2, or just directly think about it. Okay, it will be 2p2. So because I only got 2 person, okay, arrange in 2 seats. Okay, think about like that. Just treat those 4 girls as 1 person only. Okay, because they combine together, they need to sit to each other. So either girl boy or boy girl. Okay, so it will be 2p2. So after arrange this, so think about it. Even though those 4 girls combine together, but we will have, for example, girl A, okay, girl B, girl C, girl D, okay, right? So are you sure that they are sitting in ABCD? Maybe they can sitting in BADC or CDAB. So there are so many combinations in between those 4 girls, right? They are sit to next to each other, but it doesn't mean that they should follow all the ABCD. They can also arrange the sitting, okay? Maybe one of the girls say that I don't want to sit next to the boy, so I want to change the position, right? So those 4 girls, they can also change the position. So the permutation will be 4p4, okay, for only those 4 girls. Got it? So, got it? Now we almost end, okay? But don't forget, it's just row 1. How about the row 2? We still have the row 2, right? Row 2. So think about it, row 2. Row 2, how many seats you have? You have 5 seats. So who was sitting there? 5 remaining boy. Because girl and one of the boy already sitting in the row 1. So row 2, we still have 5 boy. So those 5 boy, easy, right? No restriction. So just 5 boy sitting in 5 different positions. So it will be 5p5. Okay, so row 2 just 5p5. So and then think more about it. So what if we are not rearranged the row 1 and row 2? Who say that row 1 must be the girl? it can be row 2 be the girl and row 1 be the boy, right? So when we reverse it, you have 2 more choice, just like that. Girl, boy, or boy, girl. Exchange the row 1 and row 2. So you still need to times 2. We still have 2 more options, okay? So the total answer, it will be very complicated. It will be 6C1, 2P2, 4P4, 5P5, then times 2. Okay, get it? So if you don't understand, repeat, okay, more time, okay, the video to understand it, or ask your subject teacher, okay, to have the individual intervention. So the final answer will be 96120. Okay, got it? So this is B2. Now challenging coming, okay, not a challenging, almost the same level or even though a little bit lower, okay. I adding one more question. We call it B3. I know that the textbook didn't give you the B3, right? But I want to add a question for you, okay? I want you to help me to find out what if, okay, all the girl standing in the same row, okay? Now, I didn't mention that all the girls should sit standing next to each other. They can separate. For example, it can be girl, girl, boy, girl, girl, okay? Or girl, boy, girl, 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 okay? It's both okay. Don't need to be sitting to next to each other, but it should be at the same row. So what will be the answer? Think about it, okay? So now I told you how can we do it. So first of all, again, we thinking about the row, okay? If we have the 5 in a row, okay? So first of all, we need to, same skill, consider the row 1 first. Row 1, we need 1 boy and 4 girl, right? So because girl need to standing in the same row, so we must have 4 girl, then remaining will be the 1 boy. So same here, so we will pick up the boy, okay? 6C1, choose 1 boy first, okay? Now we have 1 boy and 4 girl. So arranging the sitting plan of those 5 students, we have no any other special requirement. It doesn't mean that 4 girls must be standing together. So we'll have more special, more freedom, okay, to arrange the seat. It will be 5 students can arrange to sit in 5 different seats, okay? So it will be 5P5. Got it? So after you arrange those first row, don't forget, we still have the row 2. Row 2 will have 5 boys, right? You still have 5 boys haven't arranged. So those 5 boys will be 5P5. And then row 1 and row 2 can exchange, okay? So you also can need to times 2, okay, when we reverse it. So the final answer will be 6C1, 5P5, 5P5 times 2, okay? So the answer will be 172800. The number will be much larger than the A2, B2, because we have less requirement. Those 4 girls can sit separately. No need to be sit together. See? So make sure that a little bit wording changing, the total thinking method is totally different, okay, the thinking method. The answer can be totally different. So this chapter, please do more exercise to familiar with different kinds of the case, okay? So see you in next lesson. Bye.